Chelsea Classical Studios Clarified Fat Medium is used on the later stages of painting, okay? It is a combination of both their linseed oil and, pale and their Damar varnish. Because all of their products are made with lavender spike oil in place of turpentine and solvent, they're all safe to breathe and have a very pleasant lavender scent. When you use the fat medium, it's going to increase the drying time because it's more of an oil content and the glossiness from that Damar resin. So you want to use these after you've used the lean medium and let that dry. Now the lean medium will increase the drying time for your bottom layers, but this will increase the drying time of the fat medium and the glossiness. So you can kind of just see there you're getting more of a sheen from use of that. Smells very nice. It's safe to breathe. It's safe to breathe. And you know, there are a lot of products out there that say that they use odorless thinner, and it might have very low odor, but it doesn't say safe to breathe. There are no known carcinogens in the lavender spike oil essence. So you'll use the fat medium on your later stages of painting. It will increase the drying time and the gloss and allow you to be sure that you're painting that fat over lean that you've probably heard several times. So this is Chelsea Classical Studios Clarified Fat Medium.